Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are getting into another SHEIN haul because you know your girl is obsessed and addicted. And they should have never told me about afterpay because yeah, it's giving very much I'm gonna pay after the fact. Anyway, let's get into these looks. So I was trying to do something different because normally I get like tight stuff. So I'm like, okay, we're gonna do like oversized, giving very much cargo, giving very much loose. Like I lost a bunch of weight and then try to fit back in my clothes kind of vibe. You know what I'm saying? Absolutely love them. Okay, so let's get into these workout leggings, pants, whatever you want to call them. Listen, I might have to wear these everywhere because the way they got me sitting right, like, girl, you've been doing some squats, huh? You been yes, girl, I see. Okay, now this little pink little skirt thing is giving me very much mamacita. Like I need to be at like a salsa club or something like that. You know what I'm saying? Super cute, super fun. Like I can't wait to wear this. I don't know where I'm wearing it or what I'm wearing it with, but yeah, it's super cute and I love it. Bruh, like just act like this video not even there. Anyways, I got some more workout shorts so it can give me motivation to get back into the gym consistently. Also, let's get into this skirt because I feel like this skirt is one of my absolute favorites from this haul. Like, yeah, I'm gonna need some more of these in every color, please. Thank you. Oh yeah, and don't mind the other phone. I be recording for different reasons. Just act like it's not there. Me trying to multitask and not doing a great job. But anyways, let's get into the next look. Girl, what are you doing? Sit your ass down somewhere. This is what happens when you like be feeling yourself when you got on a new outfit or something. Anyways, so yeah, oh no, I don't know. These pants, I love these pants so much. The color, the rust, that's one of like my favorite colors. It looks so good on my skin tone. Like, and then the knee slits, like what? Yes, it just yes, like yes. It is so cute. Ooh. And they super comfortable and flexible and breathable and all of that. And you could kick a bitch, you could stump a bitch, you could do anything in these motherfucking pants, okay? Yeah, get you some. So for some reason I just had to get two pair of blue pants. I don't know why, but they are super cute. So yeah, I really love these because they're a little more fitting and just like I said, the color, it's everything. You know I had to do the kick check. Now, come on. We got to make sure, just in case some shit pop off, we able to kick a bitch in the face. You know what I'm saying? Like, you got to have some room to be able to do a kick. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, you got to... And I'll bat you in your... Walk you like a dog. I don't know why that's stuck in my head. I'm sorry, y'all. Let's get into these pink leggings, though. Yes. Loving. It's giving very much cotton candy. Yeah, kick check. Once again, make sure, I'm telling you, like always do the kick check because you just never know. Okay, and this top is super cute. It's just hella see-through and I was like, okay, this is YouTube, not OnlyFans. Like, subscribe to my OnlyFans. I'm just playing, I don't have no OnlyFans, but I didn't really like this color, but you know, it'll work, I guess. Okay, so I absolutely love the color of these pants, not that other outfit, but yeah, kick check. And we got to do a twerk check because you just never know when you might have to twerk on a bed. You know what I'm saying? Also, the top, I don't think it really goes together, but it's super cute. And this bag definitely don't go with this, but it's really cute and I'm obsessed. So I'm going to be wearing it with everything. So mind your business. Y'all, this one had me pissed off because it's like it's not giving at all. Like, what is this material even made out of? Shein, come on, because the pictures y'all put up there made it seem like this was gonna be real cute and it just wasn't. Like, what? Hold on. Now when I put it off the shoulder, now you know what I'm saying, it's kind of cute off the shoulder, but other than that, Thank you guys for watching the video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, and always remember, be mindful, love yourself and love others, and get out of your own way.